Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I want to present to you a stock that I believe has explosive upside potential. Notice this chart courtesy of TradingView.com. This is a weekly candlestick chart and it is going sideways, also known as basing or consolidating, for a long time, and then boom, explosion to the upside. Plenty of momentum here because, as they say, the longer the base, the higher in space, and that's what's happening right now. So you might be wondering, what is this stock and what is this company? It is TAT Global Alternatives, Inc., and I'll tell you all about the company today and also how you can get it. I recommend checking with your broker. On the OTC markets, it is ticker symbol TOBAF, and on the Canadian CSE exchange, it is TAAT, which makes sense because TAT is the name of the company. But what is the company? I want you to learn about the company, of course. Well, you want to go to TAT Global, TAATglobal.com, and learn all about it. But I'll give you a quick recap. There's a massive addressable global cigarette market that's ready to be disrupted. The global, worldwide tobacco market is valued at $925 billion US. So imagine if TAT is able to capture just a sliver of that market, which I believe it will. I believe it'll capture quite a bit of it, actually. That would translate to potentially millions, tens, hundreds of millions, or even possibly billions of dollars in revenues over time for a company that can provide an alternative to traditional tobacco cigarettes, because not everybody wants to smoke them. Maybe they are smoking them. Maybe they want to quit smoking traditional tobacco cigarettes. That's understandable, and this is a way to do it. And also they might want a less expensive alternative, something cheaper than most traditional cigarettes. And TAT Global offers cigarettes that are typically, generally less expensive, considerably less expensive than traditional tobacco cigarettes. And budget brands are gaining a big share of the overall tobacco market. Notice the blue space here. That's the deep discount share, big portion of the overall tobacco market. I believe it has the potential to grow even greater, even bigger. And that would be very bullish for TAT, the company, and the stock as well. So you might be wondering, how does the company create cigarettes that are an alternative to tobacco cigarettes? Well, here's the secret. TAT's production facility in Las Vegas converts hemp biomass into TAT flavored smoking material. And it's a huge production facility, currently expanding to around 25,000 square feet. So they have a lot of product to make and to sell. They wouldn't expand their production facility if this were not already a highly successful product. And so there's a secret right there. Hemp biomass. What a great alternative to traditional tobacco cigarettes for anyone trying to quit, or they just want to try hemp biomass type of cigarettes instead of the traditional tobacco. And this is a great way to do it, and less expensively typically as well. And if you want to see what the cigarette cartons or boxes look like, there it is. Experience the difference. TAT Beyond Tobacco cigarettes provide a smooth and satisfying nicotine-free and tobacco-free smoking experience. Now, these cigarettes, they're available in 3 classic tobacco flavors. You can see them right there. They've been expertly engineered to replicate the tobacco smoking experience. Nearly identical product and packaging format. You got to admit, that looks like a regular traditional tobacco product. Audible crackling sound when ignited to mimic tobacco. Pleasing tobacco-like scent, realistic tobacco taste, satisfies the hand-to-mouth experience and motor habits such as flicking ashes, right? So it's going to feel and taste like regular traditional tobacco, but perhaps potentially a healthier and less expensive alternative to it. And it is selling quite well. There is a product in the United States. It is available right now in Georgia. Within weeks of launching in Georgia, TAT is sold now in more than 70 stores worldwide. In fact, the flagship product, TAT, has recently been placed in 71 new retail points of sale throughout the state of Georgia, bringing the total store count in the U.S. to more than 400 as of the beginning of the month of August. The company has pre-sold its entire initial shipment of 15 master cases of TAT to a distributor in Georgia with a network of approximately 1,200 stores in Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Alabama. So there could be a takeover of the southern United States, possibly the entire United States, and possibly even globally. This is truly a ground floor opportunity that could be also a hyper growth type of investment if you get in early enough. It's not too late to get involved in this if you want to. Again, this explosive movement is really just starting. It's still a very affordable stock, and it has momentum, and the company has momentum for sure. Again, why would they expand their production facility in Las Vegas to around 25,000 square feet if this were not a huge product, a popular product that the company obviously believes is going to sell quite well going forward? It already has and will continue to do so, in my opinion. So if you want to get involved, check out tatglobal.com. Find out with your broker whether they have TOBAF or TAAT. Most likely they do. And if you want to learn more, visit the website and consider investing if you want to. All right, I believe in this company. You're probably going to be hearing more from me about this. Don't be surprised if there are updates coming very soon. That's TAT Global and tatglobal.com. I'm going to keep on bringing you these opportunities in the markets for hyper growth potential. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.